here tonight. Is everyone okay? Doing okay so far? I am so thrilled to finally set my foot here in Texas, in Houston, and we're just very, very happy. Wait, is this no, ito pala. You know, we do it ourselves, guys. We like being able to do this. We're just so happy po that TFC was able to, ayun po, like, after having done this show in Europe, in Germany, and in Spain, and in France just recently this year, we're so happy po na napadpad din po kami dito sa US and to be able to sing and bring this concert over here and with all of you po. Kaya maraming salamat po for supporting po. I know there's so many amazing acts, so many concerts happening right now, especially for the Filipino community, but thank you for coming to support us also po. Kami ni Darren, maraming salamat. Thank you! When I do these shows, I kind of like to put different kinds of, I guess, songs in there, para lang po I'm able to just, maybe there's a little bit of something for everybody. I'd also like to know, meron ba tayong mga Bisaya dito sa represent kayo! Taga-Sibuman ko. Actually, taga-Sibuman ko ako. I was born and raised in Cebu, but yung, well, I'm married now. Wow! I'm married now, but my, yung family name po namin, yung Amon po, is actually from Davao naman. So, yeah! Christine, thank you so much. And one of the things that I'm proud to be doing now is also put a spotlight po sa Vispop and Visminpop. Kasi ang dami din pong sobrang galing na mga musicians and artists na hindi lang po sa Luzon, hindi lang sa Manila, pero pati po sa Visayas, sa Cebu, sa Davao, diba, sa Butuan, sa CDO, and sa Mindanao. Ang dami pong magagaling. And I'm so happy po na finally we are at a time na we're all connected with the internet, I guess, and be able to hear of each other. For this next song that I'd like to sing for everybody, this is actually a Bisaya song. Okay na to, sa mga OP, okay lang. Meron din naman kayo later. There's something for everybody! But for this song in particular, I released this earlier this year. And this is written by Cebu-based composers. Their names are, and I'd like to acknowledge them, their names are Therese Villarante and Judy Tomondo. And when this song was pitched over to me, I just instantly fell in love with it. And even my husband, who does not speak Bisaya at all, ang sinasabi po niya, yung parang kahit hindi ko naiintindihan, even though I don't understand the lyrics, I feel it. And so I think that in itself is like, it's a great song. I would have to, hindi dahil I'm interpreting it, I'm gonna sing it, pero even in its demo form, ang ganda na talaga ng song. So I'm very privileged and blessed and grateful that I get to bring life to this song and finally have it out for everyone. This song is called Ihilak Lang Na. And for those who don't understand Bisaya, it's called, in Tagalog, actually, tatlo na yung languages ng brain ko. Compartmentalizing. In English, it's just cry it out. In Tagalog, iiyak ko lang yan. And I personally resonate with this song. Kahit na hindi po ako nagsulat, even though it's not one that I wrote, I personally resonate with this song kasi, ayun nga po, I just got married and just navigating through adulthood, and minsan, sometimes it just gets too hard. Life gets a little too overwhelming. But also, sometimes a good cry can really help, and I think that's what this song speaks about. But this is Ihilak Lang Na po. I hope you like it. Honestly, this is also our first time having an actual band. And so you guys are